Introducing aPriori.
So, kind of in summary here, we're going at this from a couple different angles. Like I said, digital factories, we're getting a lot of great response from our suppliers that we're working with on this, and the self-quoting aspect. Emerging regions, and then like I said, cobots are going to be the other important thing on this. And the other piece, so didn't talk about year 3 here, but as we move into our 3rd year of using aPriori, we're going to be really focused on the AP Generate. I guess there's a new name for it now, but the overnight modeling, and then obviously expanding the cobot operation, and we're working with aPriori right now on building a digital factory with a cobot. So hopefully that's something we'll see in the future in the standard offering.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.